Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make lumpy egusi soup. So if you have ever been wondering how to achieve this, sit tight and watch this video. The following ingredients are what we are going to be using for this recipe. Now you are going to chop your onions and blend it smoothly and keep aside for later use. Next, you are going to prepare the pepper mix. That is the combination of paprika pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and shombo. You are going to roughly blend that and keep aside as well for a later use. 'After that, you're going to spice your protein with some onion, pepper, seasoning powder, some salt. You're going to cook that for about 20 to 30 minutes until it is very soft. 10 minutes later, add in your stock fish, then cover and allow to cook. While that is cooking, mix your blended egusi with the blended onion. Add in some cubes and some salt. The blended onions will help to make the egusi have that lumpy look. This is the most important part of the soup. If you want your egusi soup to be lumpy, then you have to follow this process. Now heat up some oil in a pot. When the oil is hot, start scooping in the egusi into the hot oil. And please do this on a low heat so that the egusi will not start burning. After a while, open the pot and gently stir and turn it. If you don't want the lump to be very big, then you can use your spoon to pieces it to how you want it to look like. Please, while doing this process, do not go far away from your pot or else your egusi will get burnt. So you have to be around and be checking it, stirring it gently. You should allow it to fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in some stock water, cover it and allow it to cook for a while. This is actually the stock water we got from the meat that we earlier cooked. You can see that the lump has already formed. You can now add in the blended pepper mix, locust beans, crayfish, seasoning powder, some salt, then cover and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Guys, trust me on this one. This particular method is so delicious. Try it and you will see it for yourself. Now add in all the proteins and stir, cover again and allow to cook for a while so that all the ingredients can soak into the protein. And finally, you are going to round up by adding in the spinach, the vegetable. And after adding in the vegetable, you are not going to cook for too long again because you do not want the vegetable to be overcooked. So allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes and the soup is done. You can serve this with fufu, eba, or whatever swallow. You can even take this with rice. It is so delicious, guys. I want you to try this method and let us know in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, comment and share this video. Hope to see you again in my next one.